What's up, guys? Man, there's Charles back with another video today. Today I'm gonna dive right into this, man. We're gonna go ahead and discuss month two. I'm approximately about 9.5 weeks of selling on Amazon, so I'm not directly at the month two mark. I'm like a week and a half out of that. But last month, man, we had some good results. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. We had some good results. Finally broke a net positive return on my money. I made some good buying decisions. I will say that I had a better understanding the keeper data, which in turn help me not even worry about buying the items. It's just a matter of how fast they're gonna sell. Like I feel comfortable enough to buy the same items I bought last month, this month. And I finally broke a net positive return, man. I had about $6,500. 65. Let me go ahead and check this on my phone right now. I had about $6,500 in returns. Not returns, in sales, which helped me basically see a almost 300% return, or 300% increase month over month from August to September. August I did about $2,300 in sales. Last month I did about $6,300 in sales. Right, so I seen a 300% increase on month over month sales. Profit was there, and I will jump into my Aura screen in a second to show you guys exactly profit margins and things like that, so you guys can see the real numbers. Because I feel like a lot of times different sellers will post their revenues per month, but not showing you guys the real numbers. So I feel like it's important for you guys to see exactly how much I made, so that way you can kind of put everything in hindsight. And I'm not gonna lie, man, before I jump into that, the crazy thing about it is last month was a successful month. First six and a half, $7,000 in revenue, great profit margins. And now I'm sitting here just kind of dragging my feet, and I feel like I lost the motivation a little bit. And that's the crazy part. Like, man, I made $2,800 last month, which is perfectly fine. Like that can pay a mortgage, that can pay a car note, that can do a lot of different things. And it's like I'm dragging my feet this month, man. So right now, what I'm working on myself individually, just getting back into it, because I know it's quarter 4. This is the perfect time for me to get back out there and start really sourcing even harder, man, and spending even more money and making more money. So that's what I've been having to work on myself. The good thing is we're only 3 days into the month. I know I got about 28 days left. I know I can buy probably within the next week. I can spend about 3 or 4 grand. That way I can at least get some stuff in there for October. November and December I will be ramping up extremely heavily. I've been saving a lot of money when it comes to work, saving the profit from this. So those last 2 months of the year, man, I know for a fact I'm going to dump a lot of money into this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Like I said, if you guys are new to the channel, man, I haven't said this actually. If you guys are new to the channel, please take the time right now in this video, man. If you don't mind, just please take the time to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I am a new account, new Amazon FBA seller. If you don't know who I am, majority of the items that I sell is going to be used from eBay to Amazon. That's 99% of my business. I only sell used items. And it's been very profitable for me lately. I'm sorry. So like I said, man, please, before I go ahead and show you guys profit and loss and things like that, take the time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would definitely help me out, man. I'm just trying to grow my channel, grow the social presence. So let's go ahead and do that. And other than that, man, let's go ahead and jump into this. I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen, and let's jump into my Aura repricer, where it will show you guys exactly what I'm looking at. So here we go right here. If you guys can see this right here, last 30 days, last month, my revenue was $7,640.96 in sales, which is perfectly fine. That's actually more than 300% increase. But I did sell $7,640, right? Out of that, my total cost for product, I spent $3,577.67. And of that revenue, profit was at $2,862.14. Now, this is the profit, but out of that profit, what we do have to take in consideration is last month's expenses. I do have a calculator right here. I'll drag over here. Last month's expenses on my business was $385.89. That did include inventory lab. That included Aura. That included what is something about inventory lab, Aura, Amazon Seller Central. It included all of those expenses. I even had a VA from 2 months ago that I ended up firing. I ended up paying him out, which was $99. So that majority of that was paying a VA out that didn't work for my business. But from that 2862, so 385, let's just do 382. So we can go ahead and do $28.62 and 14 cents minus $382. I purely profited $2,480 last month, which is extremely cool to me. You guys can see here, right here as well. Profit margins on that money was 37%, which I feel like is pretty good. A lot of people are not at 37%. My return on investment, which means cash on cash return, that's what I truly care about. A lot of times, a lot of people are looking at return. I mean, they're looking at profit margins. All I care about is how much money did I spend, how much money did I spend, and off that money, how much money did that money make. So I got an 80% return on investment last month, which is extremely great to me. I'm extremely proud of that. You guys can see my reprice was going in there, man, and making 351 price changes in a day, 289. So that it was really really aggressive for me when it comes to just making sure I'm getting those sales. I really appreciate that, and that's pretty much that, man. So $7,640 in revenue, $2,800 in profit, $3,500 was my cost of those products and goods sold. I'm extremely proud of that, man. And just to end this video off, like I was saying, man, the crazy thing about it is, like, I sold that last month. I made that money. I'm getting ready to get a deposit into my business account in literally 48 hours. So October 6th is the day when they go ahead and initiate that deposit. And the crazy thing is, like I said, I'm dragging my feet, man. It's like I just have to get back focused, and I've been talking to myself about that. And if you guys are out there in this space, I'm sure you guys know anything, work, job, personal life, man, we hit those ruts. We hit those times when it's like, man, I don't feel like doing it, right? But I feel like that's what separates people that's successful from people that's not successful, right? It's like, I did this once. I even know that this method works. I know that it works, but it's like, why are you dragging your feet, Charles? So that's what I'm gonna focus on in these next 48 to 72 hours, man. It's just getting back into sourcing, getting back into recording videos like I'm doing right now, and just getting back into it, man. I gotta stop being spotty with this. I see that it can be a profitable business. I see that within the last 2 months of the year, I know I can make probably 10 grand in profit, and I know that going into next year, I can turn this into a full-fledged side business where I can potentially make, well over the average income in America just from just sitting at my computer at home outside of my normal job. So it's like, why not take advantage of that, man? But I want to go ahead and show you guys my numbers for month 2. Like I said, I'm not 8 weeks in. I'm like 9.5 weeks in. It's all the same, man. It's month 2. I'm going to try to get some sales in for this month. But my biggest thing right now is sourcing, and my biggest thing is November and December. I want to try to hit 10 grand profit months on both of those months. That's my goal. So I'm definitely going to take a look into that. And before I let you guys go, man, please take some time to go ahead, like I said, subscribe to my channel. It really would help me out. I'm looking to network with anybody that's in the Amazon FBA space, anybody that's looking to start, anybody that's already started. If you have any questions, concerns, man, let's go ahead and connect. Let's go ahead and just, connect, exchange information, and see how we can be of value to each other. Other than that, man, I hope you guys have a great time, man. Take a look at the other videos I have on my channel. I will be updating you guys throughout the month. Like I said, this month might not be a crazy sales month, but I will be. I know I'm going to break probably 10 grand in revenue and probably 10 grand in profit, I hope, in November and December. October, we're going to try to just shoot for 5-6 grand in profit, hopefully. But we'll see how that goes, man. But definitely go ahead and, like I said, take a look at the other videos. If you guys have any questions about sourcing, just getting started, definitely reach out to me, man. I'm here for you guys. But that is my month 2 results, man. $2,800 in profit, $7,000 in sales, 80% return on investment, which is amazing to me. 35% profit margins. I'll take it all day, man. And just like that, man, I'm out of here. Thank you guys for going ahead and watching my video. Just a quick update. I will be posting more throughout the week. Throughout the month. Maybe some more sourcing videos. Maybe some more eBay to Amazon sourcing, things like that, to kind of show you guys what I do. Other than that, man, if you guys have any more questions, please reach out to me. Like I said, comment on the video, subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.